Hey guys, today I want to take you on a behind the scenes tour of Cam's backpacking gear. This is where I manufacture, ideate, ship, and quality control test all of my products. So let's go. All right, we're in the heart of the Innovation Center, AKA my basements. So this is where all of the products get started. This is where I do my testing and my fitting and quality control and really make sure everything is coming out just right and fitting exactly right. So moving on, this is my shipping station. So I've got all of my padded envelopes down here, got some of the products here. Keep them in here nice and organized. Also, this is my label printer. I'm very proud of this. This is an upgrade that I did to my shop about a year ago. All right guys, this is the part of the basement where a lot of the magic happens. I've got my tools here, I've got my 3D printer, I've got my sewing machines, and this is where it really all comes together. So in addition to 3D printing, I also do a lot of sewing. Over here, I've got my prized possession, my Conso 206 RB5. This thing can sew through anything. And I'm actually in the process of making a backpack right now. I made these straps on the Conso. I've got my Singer HD, which is a workhorse. I'm using this thing all the time. Got some patterns up here. All right, so here's the 3D printer. A lot of inventory of my materials. The orange and the blue is what I mostly use for printing products, but other colors I use for prototyping. I've always got my inspiration here, my AT map. So this is where I kind of keep my progress of my AT section hike. I've got almost 1,000 miles down. And lastly, this is Yorkie, the shop dog. Chances are if you order a product from me, I'm gonna be walking with Yorkie down to the post office to drop your order off.